down for you on stage to find out how hypnosis feels like. But before I do, I'd like to answer several of the most asked questions about hypnosis. Now, the first question is usually this, that can I be made to do something against my will, perhaps an immoral or sexual in nature, while under hypnosis? The answer is no. Now, we cannot make you do anything against your will under hypnosis, all right? A better way to put it is this, that hypnosis cannot make you do anything that is against your moral or ethical beliefs. So this brings up an interesting question. What if you don't have any moral or ethical beliefs? So I'm going to leave that up to your imagination tonight, okay? Okay. So then the second most asked questions about hypnosis is this. Who cannot be hypnotized? All right, with the exception of 3 types of people. Now, everybody can be hypnotized, okay? So then now, the first type of people is this, who cannot be hypnotized, is someone who's drunk. All right? Now, I'm not talking about someone with a few social drinks. I'm talking about someone who's plastered out of their mind, for which they cannot pay attention long enough to experience hypnosis, okay? So then now, the second most asked questions about hypnosis is this. Is that someone who is mentally challenged, okay? Now, no one in this room fits this category. I'm talking about someone with an IQ less than 70, for which they cannot pay attention long enough in order to experience hypnosis. And the third type of person who cannot be hypnotized is this. Someone who's a smart guy. This is the one who offends me and the audience the most. Is out to prove that he or she cannot be hypnotized. You know what I mean, Josephine? Now, with this possibility, this attitude, it's really, really remote. Everybody can then be hypnotized, right? Okay, so then now, getting your attention soon. So now, I'm going to show you how hypnosis feels like. In a moment, I'm going to get this lemon out, all right? Or lime. What you guys like more, lemon or lime? Lemon. I like the lime, it's the All right, so anyway, now, here in my hand, I have a very sour, very juicy lime. Okay, now, in a few moments, I'm going to take a bite out of this. Y'all remember how it feels like when you take a bite of this, how sour it is, right? Okay, so I want to do it now. This one is really sour. Now, see, quite a few of you partner along with me as I bite into this, right? Right? So this is a response, a physical response to a suggestion. Okay? Okay? So now, let's put this back. Soon, we're going to do a test to see how well you pay attention. Now, get your feet flat on the floor. Now, go ahead and face me so you can see me. Face me, then make sure your feet flat on the floor. And then now, get your hand clasped together like this. Now, you see like that? I'm going to try to make it so that, there you go. Okay, now, can you guys hear me? Now, clasp your hand together. Clasp it straight now. Now, put your thumb down between your index finger like this. You guys see it? You guys see it like that? Okay, now, go ahead and stare at your thumb. Stare at your thumb. Clasp your hand together. Clasp your hands together so tightly, they begin to shake. Clasp your hands so tightly, they begin to shake. The harder you tug at those hands, the more so tight they feel. One, staring at your thumb, they become flat, tight, Staring right down now. 1, your hands is locked tight. 2, the harder you tug, the heavier they feel. 3, you cannot pull your hands apart. Now, 1, 2, 3. Open your hands and then relax. Open your hands and then now relax and go. Hand to the side. Now, you see, you are commended of those who pay attention. And you felt the pressure, and you kept your hands together, right? And you felt the pressure. You are commended on a great attention span. Now, for those who just sort of like got it let loose, you were probably distracted by the jerk sitting next to you, okay? So then, hold on. So you see, this is how hypnosis feels like. Now, hypnosis is not like the mandrake things you see in the movies, you know what I mean? You're always somewhat aware of everything around you. So then now, why don't you do this for me now? Go ahead, close your eyes. That's it. This is how hypnosis feels like. You didn't like it, right? You're more aware of everything around you. So then now, go ahead, open your eyes. Now, does that make sense to you guys, okay? So, depending on the time, do I still have more time? Okay, now, soon I'm going to invite at least 3 people on stage to find out how hypnosis feels like, okay? And there's several things I just want to ask of you guys. That everybody pay attention, and I need the audience in the room here to be quiet and keep the sound to a minimum, the movement to a minimum, right? And I would appreciate it if you guys turn off your cell phone. All right, so those who are going to come here, I'm going to ask you guys to come in and volunteer. The first person is the bravest. And then, now let's go ahead and come back up here and then see who wants to be hypnotized. Now when you guys come up, I do expect that you guys respect each other. And then pay attention, because the person next to you are having a strong desire in order to be hypnotized, all right? Oh, come on, Rita. Come on, baby. One more. Now there's 2 brave females here. We need one more. We need one more. One more. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. Now. Hopefully this will be okay. So, have you guys been hypnotized before? Okay. Now, are you guys sitting next to a close personal friend? Let's switch things. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how hypnosis feels like, okay? I'm going to close your eyes again for me. Close your eyes again. Close your eyes. This is how hypnosis feels like, right? You didn't black out. You're more aware of your surroundings, okay? So now, go ahead and open your eyes. We're going to soon be hypnotized, and be courteous and respectful of each other, and then you're all going to have so much fun. Right? Now, get your hand to the side. Now, I want you guys to stare at the light over there. Stare at the light there. Staring at the light, listening very carefully to my voice. Taking a deep breath in. Hold it, and then go ahead and slowly just let it out now. And as you stare at the light, listening very carefully to my voice, taking a deep breath in. And go ahead and slowly just let it out now. Now imagine a warm, liquid relaxation flows to the muscles of your feet, relaxing your lower leg now. And as you listen, and then you listen very carefully to my voice, staring at that light, taking that deep breath in, and go ahead and just slowly just let it out now. Slowly just let it out now. Imagine that warm liquid relaxation flows to your ankles, up to your calves, into your knee, and then your thigh. Relax, let go. Relax your lower leg now. Relax. And as you stare, and you stare at that light, listening very carefully to my voice. Taking a deep breath in. And go ahead and slowly just let it out now. Slowly just let it out now. You imagine that warm liquid relaxation close to your hips, to your pelvis, up to your abdomen, your chest, and then your shoulders now. And many people carry their life stress and tension in their shoulder area. And if that's how it is with you, relax your shoulders. Just go ahead and relax your shoulders now. That's it. Relax your shoulders and stare at that light, listening very carefully to my voice, taking that deep breath in. And go ahead and just then slowly just let it out now. And imagine that warm liquid relaxation close to your neck, your throat, the top of your forehead and the back. And as you then relax your scalp muscles now. And then as you stare at that light, and as you focus on your jaw, imagine your jaw relax. And let go. And let your teeth part slightly. Just opening up your mouth. That's it. Let your teeth part slightly and opening up your mouth. And as you stare, that's it, stare at that light, listening carefully to my voice, taking that deep breath in. That's it. And go ahead and slowly let it out now. Slowly just let it out now. And as you stare at that light, noticing your eyes beginning to blink. It's beginning to gather moisture, and your eyes are getting heavy. And the harder you blink, the tired it feels. And sometimes you just know it's just to close that eyes. Just close that eyes. And then now as I count from 3, 2, 1, all I want you to do is just close your eyes. And the more you stare at that light, the heavier your eyes feel. And the more you blink, the heavier it feels. You just want to close your eyes. 3. As I count 3, close your eyes. As I count 2, close your eyes now. As I count 2, that's it, close your eyes now. Close your eyes now. That's it, close your eyes as I count 1, 2, 1. Your body limp and loose. Imagine that's it, your body limp, relax, and loose. That's it, limp, relax, and loose. Slow down now. Slow down even more now. Even more now. Even more now. And soon you feel a little tug on your wrist. And as you do, it will not startle you in any way. And as you feel that tug, you will relax 10 times even more and follow through on each suggestion given to you now. Relax 10 times more. That's it. Relax 10 times more. That's it. Relax 10 times more. Relax 10 times more. That's it. Relax 10 times more. That's right. Relax 10 times more. Relax 10 times more. Relax 10 times more. And as you listen, and you listen carefully to my voice, let's take another deep breath in. That's it. Go ahead and slowly let it out now. Slowly just let it out now. And now, once you feel another touch on that wrist, your hand will go straight in your hair. And this is your opportunity to release tension now. And as you feel that touch soon, you're going to raise that hand straight up high in the air and imagine draining all the unwanted tension out of that hand. Now, and as you feel that touch now, go ahead, get that hand straight up high in the air. It is as rigid as a board steel. As you feel that touch, that's it. Yeah, that's right, that's right. And go ahead, go ahead. Now, the harder you try to bend that arm, the more rigid it just becomes. Now, notice the hand is cold, rigid, and rock solid. And as you notice that tension, imagine draining all the unwanted tension out of that hand, and then relax even more. Now, soon, when you feel another touch, your hand will drop, let loose, and let. Relax now. That's it. Relax more. Relax more. Relax even more now. Relax even more now. And as you listen, and then you listen very carefully to my voice, taking a deep breath in. Hold it, and then go ahead. And slowly just let it out now, and then relax more and more and more. Now, with your eyes comfortably closed, you feel and start to relax. That the harder you tug, the heavier they feel. Now, with your eyes closed, let's roll your eyeballs upward now. The harder you tug, the heavier they feel. Tug twice as hard, they're twice as stuck. That's it. And now, when you hear a snap, your eyes open. Now, when I touch your shoulder, you relax 10 times even more. Open your eyes now. Okay, close your eyes. Relax even more. Close your eyes, relax. Relax, relax even more now. Relax even more now. Now, we're going to take a trip. It's in Death Valley. It is hot. You guys remember how hot it's been here in Houston? It's in Death Valley. And now it's 100 degrees in the shade. And there's no shade. It is just so hot. And the sun beating down at your face. It is just so hot. Now, go ahead. Fan your face to get the cold air coming. Go ahead now. Fan your face, get the cold air coming. Fan your face, get the cold air coming. Now, use both hands. Use both hands to fan. The faster you fan, the more cool it feels. The faster you fan, you just can't stop. The faster you fan, the colder it feels. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Get the sweat off your brow. It's just so hot. Okay, now, as when I touch your shoulder, you can just go back to normal now. Go ahead, touch your shoulder. Go back to normal now. That's it. Go back to normal now, and then relax 10 times even more now. Now, listen carefully to my voice. Now, let's take another deep breath in. And then go ahead and slowly just let it out now. Now, soon as I count from 1 to 5, your eyes are open. You'll be alert, awake, and refreshed. And you won't be embarrassed in any way. Just enjoy the fun. Now, when I count 1 to 5, you'll be alert, awake, and enjoy the rest of your day. Now, 1, getting ready to move now. 2, speeding up. 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Eyes wide open, awake, and then alert. So, these ladies, let's give them a round of applause.